nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. That's right, welcome back. Pull up a chair. And anyone running through here, that's okay. I hope you hit that like and subscribe button, get a chance to you become one of my nieces and nephews, and come on in and share the love. Okay, today we are going to be making an overloaded stuffed crust pizza. Okay, and it's something for you guys who got the little kiddos or the grand kiddos, something they could jump in and help too. Maybe a little harder with the little babies helping. Okay, so we're gonna give me a moment. I'm gonna do a flip and a swip, and we're gonna get started. Okay, guys, this is not. I didn't make this dough. This is bought from my farmer's market. I get my dough from them a lot because their dough is really good. I got some pepperoni, really good pepperoni. We got some mozzarella string cheese. And then we got some sliced mozzarella. And I got some parmesan, some shredded parmesan. And I have some shredded mozzarella. And so we're going to do a no cook pizza sauce, okay? So my sous chef over here is gonna, my daughter is my sous chef. She's gonna knead the dough a little bit, okay? Say hi, Caitlin.
Hi.
So I'm gonna get some stuff set up while she kneads the dough, and I'm gonna show her how to knead the dough. Just knead it like that. Flour your hands so your hands don't get your dough doesn't stick to your hand. And now you hear that bubble popping. We getting the air out. That's what we're doing. Okay, do that. Wash my hands. Okay, that kneading is done. Now we're gonna get get my rolling pin. Okay, sous chef, you can oil the pan. I'm gonna use butter to oil the pan. Take this and spread this all around. Gonna roll this dough out. Okay, and I'll be back. All right, nieces and nephews, got the pizza dough right here on the pan. Okay, got that pizza dough right there. So we're gonna start stuffing our crust. All you do is put your string cheese going around the pan. That's all you're gonna do. Take your string cheese, go all the way around your pan, go all the way around your dough. Sous chef is going to finish this up. Get your glove. I think that those two should be enough on that. I think. Okay. Now you're going to take your dough and you're going to fold your dough over your cheese like that. Fold it in like that and press it against the cheese. Okay, here is my no-cook pizza sauce. It's merely a can of tomato sauce with some dried oregano and basil leaves. That's it. I'm going to spoon your pizza sauce down. Sous Chef will be taking this over. You just pour it on. Because we're going to spread it all the way out.
The whole thing?
Mm-hmm. Just pour it on there. And just spread it out. Okay. Just spread this piece of sauce out. Okay. All right, now we got our sauce down. Now let's get our pepperoni down. This is a loaded pepperoni. So we're going to put our first layer of pepperoni down. Going all the way around. So Sous Chef is going to put these down and then I'll be right back. Okay, we got this layer down. Now I'm going to take some sliced mozzarella cheese and I'm going to put it on top. And then we're going to go lay down our second layer of pepperoni. And I'm going to let my lovely sous chef handle this. And we'll be right back. Got the top layer of our pepperoni down. Now we're going to use some whole milk, shredded mozzarella. Use whole milk. Well, unless you don't want to use whole milk, you can use that skim milk. But it's not going to be the same. Get the oven preheated to 400. Get the edges. Remember, I always talk about those edges. Make sure you get them edges covered in cheese. Always make sure you get your edges, guys. Always make sure you get these edges. And when that oven heats up, you're going to pop this in the oven about 15-20 minutes. And you got a nice pizza. Oh well, why not just add it all on? Just add it all on. It's gonna be lots of cheesy pepperoni goodness. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little olive oil. And brush a little olive oil on my crust. Just use this little spot here. I'm just gonna go all around my outside piece of crust. Put a little olive oil on here. Okay, and we're going to pop this in the oven. Once the oven heats up, we're going to pop this in the oven again at 400 for 15-20 minutes, and I'll be back. Look, guys, the pizza is all done. It's done on the bottom. So let me see. We're going to cut into this, let it rest a bit, and then we're going to cut into it. My little sous chef, aka Caitlin, has abandoned the kitchen. But before she abandoned the kitchen, she gave me this idea to take some basil and oregano, some olive oil, and brush the crust after it was done. I tell you, I'm not hiring another young person. No more 20-year-old sous chefs. No more 20-year-old sous chefs. Get some of these herbs. Make sure I get some of these herbs all the way around. Be right back. Okay, guys, we're going to take a slice of this here pizza. Ooh, look at all that melt. Look at all that goodness on here. All that goodness. That's cheese goodness. Why my voice is getting hoarse. And as you can see, you can take this. You got that mozzarella in there. It's nice and melty. Look at there. Look at that. That stuffed crust. Nice and melty. Good pizza, guys. Good pizza. Hold on, my family. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're hanging out with Auntie today. My voice is getting a little hoarse, and you guys know I have esophagus issues, and so because my throat doesn't contract, so I'm having some esophagus issues all of a sudden. So, but thank you guys. Hugs and kisses to all of you. Love you guys. Be awesome, but be you. But always be great being you. To the next upload. See you later. Bye.